Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I talk about how to create your image research website using ChatGPT. So if you are new in ChatGPT, first you can create a ChatGPT account. Watch my last video and create now. So first I can go to my ChatGPT account and input now create a image resize. Create a image resize website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and you can input now and you can see ChatGPT create your HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. So I can go to my code editor and create a new folder and create an index.html file and copy my HTML code. Right, copy now, paste now, save now, and you can copy your CSS code. Go to your style.css, input now, save now, and you can go to your JavaScript code, copy now, and go to your script file, put now, save now, and create a new folder image.css, and you can see all your website structure is ready. So I can save all files and go to my local host and input now and refresh my page, and you can see image resizer. So I select my any file, for example my cryptoartist.bnb, and you can see width and height. So width red, then pixels. So I can go to red and 500. For example, I bet 1000 pixels, so 1000 pixels. We can grow your limit one more than 1000, and your pixels are more size. So thanks for watching this video, and if you need any help, so comment now.